guys, welcome back to my channel. Well, today I have a haul for you. It's a gigantic fall haul, and it comes from the Dollar Tree, Old Time Pottery, JoAnn's, Walmart, and at home. So let's get started. I'm so excited to show you what all I found. I couldn't believe it. I went to JoAnn's and this was right there, 60% off. I cannot believe, you know, 60% off now. I don't understand it, but look how beautiful that is. And this is all raised, actual pieces of wood, and then this is written on there. I think it's beautiful, and it has this little piece of twine that you can hang it with. Now it was, and I don't think you'll be able to see this, but it was $59.99, but it was 60% off. I could not leave that at the store, so I picked that up, and they have tons of items. I was shocked, okay? Then let me get some. Okay, I also went to Michael's. While my eye was really, really bad, for several days I just laid around the house, didn't do anything, and then I went stir crazy. So Mom and my husband would drive me places, and this is what I found. Michael's, this, I think it was Friday, had buy one, get one. Look at this. Is this not gorgeous? It's so pretty. So you bought one and you got one for free. So this was $30. So I loved that. I thought that was so pretty. So I picked up 2 of these for my new hutch. Okay, then while I was in JoAnn's, this is the last thing I got there, they have these. I was walking down an aisle and I smelled something that smelled so good. And it is the maple pecan scented pine cones. I had never smelled the maple pecan, and it's really stinging my eye, so I'm going to have to put it back in our enclosed garage until it airs out some, but it smells delicious, okay? So I got that. I'm all over the place. I don't know. Then back to Michael's. I'll try to keep these in order. They had, once again, buy one, get one. So these were $4. So I got 2 of these. I just thought they were beautiful. Okay. And then the same with this. It was buy one, get one. So I bought 4 of these, and they were $6. But I just love the little pine cones on top and the berries. And this is just, I don't know if that's like raffia or what that is. I don't think it's raffia, but anyway, maybe it is. But I just thought they were beautiful. All right, then this is adorable. Is that not so pretty, that little owl? He's got his little pine cones and his berries and his leaves. I love him. He was $20, but you bought one, get one. So I bought the little squirrel. I thought she was so cute. But she's so adorable. I mean, just look at her little tail. I don't know if I'm gonna put these on the mantle or in the hutch, on the hutch, I don't know. And she's got her pine cone, berries, and leaves. I thought she was precious. Okay, and did I get anything else at Michael's? Then I picked up this wreath because I'm going to have to make at least 2 more wreaths. So I have this one. It's a 14-inch wreath, and I can't remember how much it was. It wasn't on sale, so I had a 50% off coupon, so I used on that, but I thought that would be really pretty. And then we will go to Big Lots. I actually bought some stuff at Big Lots too. Okay, I loved these when I saw these. They're just so pretty with all those colors in them. I love them, and the leaves. And each one of these were $5, okay? So I got 1, 2, 3 bunches of these, but you can see they give you a big effect. So I picked those up. Then we'll just go to, I guess At Home next. I don't think I got a lot from there. Okay, I picked these up. You know how expensive these are. They have the brown balls and then these little white kind. And they're different sizes. You get the smaller and the larger of all of them. And it was $19.99. I've had some of this stuff for a while. I think I went and bought this the day I got something in my eye, okay? That's when I bought this, okay? But it was $19.99. That is such a deal. I don't know if it says how many are actually in here, but there's quite a few. All right, next we will go to, I guess we'll go to Walmart next. I love this little container. It said Butterfly brand and it has the pumpkins. I just thought that was so pretty. And here's the top and here's the side. I loved it. So I picked this one up and it was $6.98. And then I loved this one. It's just so pretty, pumpkin pie spice. I love that. Looks like it's so old or old world. I love it. There's the top, the side, and then the front and the back look just alike. And the top comes off of it as well. And these are metal, okay? Then when I was in Walmart, I saw these leaves. And I have a ton from the Dollar Tree, but these are a lot larger. And I have some of Dollar Tree's large ones, but I just love these. These kind of called to me, so I went ahead and got these. And you get 6 pieces for 98 cents. I thought that was a good deal. So I got 2 bags of those. And then I saw these little things. You get 15 pieces of like gourds and pumpkins of different kinds. So I picked that up and they were $2.98. And then, then I saw this Harvest Banner from Walmart, $4.94. And I thought, you can see it's strung all across, but you could do a lot of different things with this. So I have something in mind, so I picked this up, and you can see it's the wider and the taller pumpkins. So I love that. I can't wait to work on my project for that. And then next we will go to, I did get some more stuff from Michael's. I tell you, since I can't see really well, my brain just doesn't work. I think they're connected. I don't know, it's scary. Okay. Buy one, get one. So I loved how these look. They just look so pretty. Now I have pomegranates from the Dollar Tree in that brownish and that pretty, kind of like an orange color, but I thought these were really super pretty. And they were $6. Hope you can see. So I got 2 of these and 2 of the like cream ones. I think they will be so beautiful. Okay, and sticking with Michael's, buy one, get one. I thought these were so pretty. They were $4 a piece, so I got 2 of these, and you can fan these out and they'll really look large. And then I got 2 of the rust color, okay? Now we'll go to the Dollar Tree. Okay, many of you may remember when I did the fall tree using the plunger from the Dollar Tree, and I showed you Top Cash Back. And I'll put the link to, if you want to, it's free, it doesn't cost anything to join Top Cash Back in the description box below. It is a good way to shop and save money and make money, really. This isn't a sponsored video or anything. But these are the plates that I bought on there. And I got those in the mail. I just think they're so pretty. So I ended up getting, I think it's 6 of these. Yeah, 6 of the plates, and they are from the Dollar Tree. And then while I was on there, many of you may remember, I bought these like gray wooden chargers, okay? And I picked up 4 of these on there, okay? And I actually made $2.50 when I bought all that, so that was good. All right, and then when I was in the Dollar Tree, I love these. I had the kind of like the rust color, like an orange last year, but I loved these. I thought they were so pretty, so I picked up 4 of these. They're just, something like this at Hobby Lobby would be so pricey. And then I picked up 4 of these, like the brown wheat. I thought they were so pretty, and they look kind of, really they look rusty to me, okay? So I got 4 of those, and then I picked these up. I got 3 of these from the Dollar Tree. I think they're so pretty. And then I was into their cattails, and I think I picked up 2 of these because I think that's all they had. And then I picked up some of these, just in various colors. I picked up 3 of these. I just love that color. And then 3 of these, like this one's kind of green and these 2 are kind of brown. I probably didn't notice that, but I think it'll look really pretty together. And then, oh, I got another one of these. I didn't see that. So I picked up 4 of these total. And then I picked up some of these daisies. I just think they look so pretty. They just look like wildflowers that you would see out growing. I loved them. And Dollar Tree calls them daisies. So I picked up 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bunches of this. We are going to have fun crafting, okay? And then the last place we're going to go is Old Time Pottery. I was in there with my husband, and he saw this and showed it to me, and he really liked it, and so did I. So I picked this up, and it was $9.99. See what happens when you mess your eyes up? You shop, okay? But anyway, I got that. And then while I was in Old Time Pottery, I love to get my ribbon from there because it's so pretty and it's relatively inexpensive. So I picked up 2 of these. I just think that's so pretty, and it has that gold outlining on it, and they were $1, okay? So I love those. It's gonna make such a pretty bow. And then I picked this up. I think that is so, so pretty, and it has that copper threading goes through that. It was $2.99. And how much? This is 10 yards on this one. And these smaller ones have 3 yards, so I got 2 of those. And then I got 2 of these. I thought they were really pretty. And they were $1 a piece. You really can't beat Old Time Pottery. And they have 3 yards. So I went ahead and picked 2 of these. And then this one I thought was really pretty. It's kind of hard to see, but it has like a green, a beige, and like a copperish rust stripe that goes through that. And then it's got the copper down through there. It was $2.99, and it is 10 yards. And then I picked this up. It's this little copper one. It was $1. And it's 3 yards. And then I love this. It almost looks like burlap that has copper through it. It's so pretty. It was $1, and it was 3 yards. And then this one I thought was really, really pretty. It was $2.99, and it has 10 yards on that. So that's everything I picked up through several shopping trips. this all didn't come from one day, but through probably a week or two, this is what I have gathered. And I can't wait to work on a DIY for Friday. I'm so excited. I think you'll like it. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.